In this video, I'd like to demonstrate a concept workflow to use AutoCAD's parametric tools as well as Dynamo to insert a cul-de-sac at the end of a centerline alignment. So in this drawing, I've prepared a parametric block that will define for us the geometry for the cul-de-sac edge of pavement. The block, if we take a look at it in Block Editor, it has a number of geometric constraints as well as dimension constraints for the flare in and out, as well as the circle radius, so that we can change the parameters in the drawing. So if we have those parameters, I can use the grip editing tools to change the radiuses. Perhaps determine if I want the island or not. So a simple visibility state, as well as change the size of the circle. Right. Once we have the geometry defined for the cul-de-sac, we can then use Dynamo to create an alignment profile and corridor for it. I will use Dynamo Player first, and then we'll take a look at the graph. So once we have the Dynamo Player on, we'll go ahead and select the block, select the parent alignment. The center line profile is called center profile, and the cross slope that I would like to meet at the road here is -3%, as well as that's the same cross slope that will be designed all around the circle here. So we'll go ahead and play it, and with a simple click, the corridor has now been created. If we take a look at it in Object Viewer, it's targeting the center line alignment and profile and following the baseline around the edge of pavement, as well as these. Of course, the alignment was created, the profile was created, and the corridor was created, as well as, of course, the assembly was also created. And this simple assembly here, if we take a look at it, it's just the lane sub-assembly. Now I will do this one more time with the center line, with the center island. Then this time I will run it from the Dynamo itself, so we'll take a look at it in Dynamo. So the graph here simply selects the block. Take a look at it, select the block for the line work, and then it'll extract the geometry for the edge of pavement. It will also grab some critical points, which is the beginning of the cul-de-sac and the center point of the cul-de-sac. It will also select the alignment and the center profile, and it then calculates the elevations at those critical points. From the alignment properties, we extract all the dynamic properties information. Most importantly, I need to understand if the island is on or off, and the name of the block. Then this short code block here will calculate the elevations critical at those 3 critical points. Then it will create a civil 3D alignment, create a civil 3D profile, an assembly, corridor like we'd expect, and then setting the targets for the region. So go ahead and run, and we should see at this time the corridor has been created with another polyline around the island here for targeting purposes. I hope that was helpful, and I'm curious for thoughts on improvement. Thank you.